Now more than ever, the world is focused on the importance of cleaning touch points. After all, cleaning is the first line of defense in disease prevention. But effectively cleaning touch points is not as easy as it seems. Cleaning towels are notorious for accumulating and spreading soils and contaminants. Although most users simply wad towels during cleaning, experts recommend folding the towel into 4 quadrants and flipping to a fresh panel as the towel becomes soiled. Flipping and folding helps, but it's hard to know where to start or which parts of the towel have already been used. That's where Kaivac's Microfiber SmartTowel shines. The SmartTowel features numbered quadrants, 1 through 4 on one side and 5 through 8 on the other, to allow the user to fold the towel and to use one quadrant at a time. When a panel becomes soiled, simply fold the towel to the next numbered panel and continue cleaning. The ability to manage which section of the towel has been used allows you to effectively reduce the risk of cross-contamination and clean with confidence. And since the SmartTowel is available in multiple colors, it's easy to customize cleaning operations and further reduce cross-contamination from one area of the building to another. So add another weapon to your cleaning arsenal and get more out of your microfiber towel with Kaivac's SmartTowel. Contact Kaivac today for more information on SmartTowel and other intelligent cleaning innovations that will help you in the fight against infectious disease in your facility.